Take a ride in the 2025 Sprinter. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, splash guards, black door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, power door locks, cargo net, tinted glass, front bucket seats, low tire pressure warning. For those with a job to do, look no further. The Mercedes Sprinter is for you. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.